Hi, my name is Andrew, and today we're going to be learning about garden covers. So guys, you're probably wondering what a garden cover is. Well, garden cover is something that you can cover like over your plants in your garden and over me. Perfecto. Let's start with the full thing, mesh. The mesh mostly just like keeps the bugs out.
Where's my food?
It like those tiny holes in it. So only like water and like air and sunlight can get in. So that's mostly what it does. It like just doesn't do anything else. So guys, if you have like anything that's like eating your plants, this is what you want. And it's very nice. I kind of want to sleep with it. So guys, this is our second thing, a frost blanket. A frost blanket like keeps the frost from getting to the plants. So guys, when the temperature drops, you can get rid of the mesh and put this on so it keeps the frost out. And I guess this kind of also does keep the bugs out. Our last thing, or our third thing, is plastic. So we have mesh, a frost blanket, and now we got plastic. Plastic lets sun come through, but it doesn't let water come through. It traps the heat in where the plants are, keeping your plants warm when it gets cold. If it's cold enough that you need plastic, make sure you put it on, because I don't want my plants dying, and I especially don't want you guys. I really don't want your guys' gardens to die. And we buy this stuff at Lowe's, online and garden centers, and the same with the snow blanket. So let's just go over this again. So the mesh is to keep the bugs out. So the frost or snow blanket is to keep the frost out. And the plastic is to keep all the plants nice and warm. That's kind of all it. Garden covers 101. So if you have any questions, just comment down below and make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.